Franz Beckenbauer would have been a great prefab plant manager. Beckenbauer, also known as Der Kaiser, is credited with starting the role of the modern sweeper. He's one of the great players of all time. He was the captain of the German national team that won the World Cup in 1974. In soccer, you have three levels of defenders. The first defender is someone who is marking the opponent with the ball. The second defender is helping that first defender as a backup, and especially as they get closer to our goal. And then the third defender, this is the Beckenbauer role, would be an outlet for when the ball is stolen. And because they have such great vision of the field, would also be able to move into a counterattacking role very quickly and turn things around. And so I think that in our prefab plant, we would have an operator in the work cell. That's our first defender. The second defender would be the team leader or value stream leader, who is helping as demand increases, the rate of production must increase, or as we start to have problems or defects that must be resolved. And then the third defender, this is the Beckenbauer role, would be the plant manager, someone who has an outstanding vision and system of the entire operation, can help us react and transition, meet new demands, flex to different product lines, and move the company forward. Franz Beckenbauer would have been a great plant manager.